I just wake up.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Put the 6 there.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Put the 5. Next one.
Dad let me play in on his PlayStation.
He did?
Yeah, he just said yes.
Okay.
No. Hey, Mom. It's ready, Mom. It's ready. Mom, the clothes ready. What? Whoa, fascinating. What's going on?
Jace here wants to cut his hair. He wants to go back shorter.
Yo, Mom, you actually did it.
You approved? How did I do? How did I do, Jace?
Yo, Mom,
You
this
did
is
great.
natural, no cap.
Let me see. All right, Jace, turn. Turn to the back, turn around. How's it? I'm hired.
Great. Yeah.
I'm hired.
You'll be a personal barber.
Love it.
Mom, Jason's hair is so shiny.
It is? You like it?
Me and Mom are just gonna rearrange the couch to make it look cool. Also, she has a vacuum in case there's any mess. Let's move the other one. Wow, that was fast. Now that that's back. I can put this back and then connect it. You'll see. Let's see. There. And it also opens.
What's going on?
And we put some toys in there for storage.
Mom, what?
And more toys. Alright guys, we're done. Now we'll just sit back and relax.
Shake, 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 shake. Yummy, 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 yummy. Mom, get our clothes.
Get dressed. All right, come on.
Mom, we get more clothes.
Yeah. Actually, there's some in there.
I want help.
They are clean. They just need to dry. They're just wet.
That's wet. My hand's wet.
Here comes another one.
That's wet.
One more coming up.
Thank you. Whoa. Wait, that's the small towel.
It's a rag.
That's the big. That's bigger.
Yeah.
We got one. Button. Mom, it's ready clean. Jake, what are you doing? Jake,
Yes?
what you making? Mama, help Jace.
Hold on.
You let me help Jace a second? Yay!
This here.
Mom,
This
let me
there.
help.
And then this here. Oh wow, it really worked. It folded there. So that.
Ah! Jace, want help now?
Wait.
Put it on. Then go left, right, and up. See? Can you do it? Okay.
Round.
I'll give you a shirt.
I can't see it, Mom.
You don't have to say it. Just do it.
Left, right, and then up. So he's gonna shake.
Look. I'll show you a few times so you can see.
I'll put it on.
Okay.
Mommy, help me put this on.
No, we're folding.
Yeah.
I need to put this on.
Hey, we're folding it. All right, Reese. So do left, right, and up. No. So now do it yourself. Do it all the way.
Left,
Now push it all the way. Like you do the other sides, okay?
left, right, and up.
Yay!
I'll put it in your palm. All right. Let me show you how to do your pants. This one should be a better example. This and then this.
And
Does that-
this.
Oh, actually, that did work. Nice. So it is the same. That's your pants pile.
Round,
No, you have to lay it flat. Lay it flat first. Right, left.
and up.
Woohoo! Open it out, nice and flat.
I need help.
You got it. Open it. Right, left.
And
Up.
Jace, what are you making?
I'm not making anything. I'm just holding my paws.
I need help.
You could do it. Open it. You could do this. Yeah, lay it flat. Yay! Left.
And
Woo!
now let's do this one. Let's do this one. This one's so small. This one's small.
Yeah.
Right.
Wait, it's inside out.
Left. And up.
Okay, that works, Gentle. Woo-hoo!
I did it. Oh, it's so yummy. These chairs. Mine red. My favorite color. Jason's got blue. My favorite flavor. Mom, everyone have this too?
No, it looks like it's just you two. You like it?
Yeah. Delicious. My favorite flavor is have watermelon. Mom, what's this name?
Let me see. It says cherry watermelon.
Cherry.
Cherry watermelon. What's your flavor, Trace?
Blueberry.
Oh, cool.
Mom, why are all windows on?
You mean down?
No, up.
They're down.
I hope you enjoyed this all-in-one video where we folded clothes, rearranged the couch, and even saw me get my hair cut. Right now, we're just waiting for my bro. So, let's just end it here. See you next time.